Hey my bookies, it's your girl T back with another video, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Tara, and in this video it's gonna be a short mini tutorial on how I beat my face for every day, and this is perfect for beginners as well. But yeah, so continue watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe so you can be notified every time I drop a video. Okay, and I will be adding the products that I am using to accomplish this face beat, this quick and easy, quick and simple face beat in the video as well. I am going to be doing my all-time favorite no foundation makeup routine, so continue watching and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so we just gonna get straight into it. So the first thing I'm doing is tying my hair up to get it away from my face, and then I am using Aveeno Daily Moisturizer and applying that to my face. I like to skin prep my face before I add any type of products in my face because I do have sensitive skin. And then I am also using under my eyes, I'm using a herbal ancient Indian facial cream. The rest of this video is going to be sped up, and I will be adding the products that I'm using as the video plays out. Remember, if you're enjoying what you're seeing, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I hope you enjoy.